The chef goes wild. So we have wild Alaskan seafood for Alaska on Princess Cruises. And that's an amazing first in the industry for Princess Cruises. We will have an amazing array of food products, all fresh and most important, sustainable. And that's very important for our stewardship of Princess Cruises. So we will have salmon cooked 20 different ways, halibut cooked 10 different ways. You name it, we have it.
Yeah, it's truly unbelievable. You know, culinary arts has always been about a part of Princess, but we're really kicking it up in a few notches. Rudi's the guy to do it,
Yeah.
and you see the art that comes through. He inspires our chefs, gives them the ability to create, and it's just making a world of difference, and
Yeah.
all of our guests love it.
We just started, right?
There you go.
It's about love. Most important, I just made some notes before yesterday in the airplane. Food is the way to our guests' hearts. And the Princess Cruises culinary team brings great hearts the way they do it. And period. My goal is to grow that pride and lead the culinary team to new culinary heights. And period. It's all teamwork. We all chefs work very hard, but we all have a lot of pride, passion, what we do. And for me, it's very important, whatever I do in the kitchen, that each chef in the kitchen is happy.
Yes.
And can that I am able to inspire. And how do I do it? Because I can do it, they can do it. This is what I say for 30 years. I can do it, you can do it. And that's not easy, but thousands of chefs of Princess Cruises, great culinary talents. We want to bring them back to the next level and bring the food also along what we like to do, to create an excellent culinary food product on board our ships.
Yes, that's awesome. It was definitely delicious. Yes, incredible. I can always feel your passion, and I always see your artistry when it comes to your cooking, and you deliver that to us.
Yeah, I'm very lucky. I'm a culinary artist. This is a passion. I do a lot of food faces you have seen. I also made a beautiful face of it about you. So that is part of my passion. And most chefs in my history are culinary artists, period. Every chef has a passion. Every chef wants to learn. And that's the beautiful in our job I'm able to do for you guys here on board ship.
Yes, I thank you so much.
The fleet is yours.
That's right.
Thank you so much. So what I would say, just book a cruise, let us do the cooking.
Can I take you home with me, Rudi? Thank you. Give it up for Rudi Sodamin, everyone. Rudi, thank you